So guys, I was getting too many comments to review the Bombay Shaving Company, what you call perfume, because we are getting it at cheap price. So I have ordered the Bombay Shaving Company perfume. I ordered the two variants. One is that what you call Valeno, and other is that Mexico. So these two are too famous. So I will give review on that. So this one is the Mexico one, and second is this one, Valeno. So let's open it. So now we have the Mexico and the Valeno one. Let's open the box. What's inside? So it's the Valeno one. What's there in the Mexico? So this one is the Mexico. So guys, I will try it and I will comment down how it is, how it, how much it is staying. Okay, and let's say Mexico one is stronger. I like the Valeno one. It is something like spicy, and Mexico is a very common type. Similar to whiskey one. So I like the Valeno one. And if I tell you about the prices, I got the Valeno one only in these both I got only in 320 something. So you guys you can go for Valeno. I will put a comment about the Mexico, how it is smelling after a day, putting it for a day, and Valeno I will also comment.